Yo guys, welcome to another episode of my YouTube channel. So I'm back again. I believe by now we all know how to trade the Forex market. We know how to make use of our MetaTrader 5, our trading view, and you can now analyze by yourself. At least you know the basics of Forex trading. So yeah, I'm here to assist you with analyzing the charts today. That's what we'll be doing. We'll be analyzing the markets and looking out for trades for this week, and also checking our fundamentals for incoming news, any news we have for this week. Instant. So I'm going to help you guys with your analysis today. So just stay tuned, and learn. So I have two major currency pairs. I look at GBP and gold. So the market just opened with a gap, a gap. So I have two pairs I'm looking at for GPSD and gold. So currently, I'll start from the daily time frame. If you look at it, well, let me delete all this so I can explain my chart for you guys afresh. If you look at it, G has been on a bullish movement, bullish market. We are looking at the bullish market structure. Why? We'll be looking at, if we start from here, we'll be looking at low, high, higher low, higher high, now higher low. So we're looking forward to a new higher high. So that's why it's a bullish market. So definitely we'll be looking at, on the daily time frame, it's a bullish market. On the 4 hours, I think the same thing too. It's quite bullish on the 4 hours too. But so I'll start marking up my chart from the 4 hours. So this was last week low. This was last week low. So currently market has just been, we had a previous bearish movement, like a minor bearish movement. And if you look at it on the daily too, look at it on the daily, market just rejected from a fib level. You understand? Remember, this is a low. So where do you draw your fib? From the recent low to what? The recent high, which is this. As you can see, price on the daily time frame is rejecting from what? The 618 area. You understand? It's rejected from the 6182. You understand? So price reject from our fib zone, almost tapped it exactly on 618, then bounced. So you all know that our entries usually come from 618 or 0.5, 50% of the fib retracement. So now price has tapped into it and is pushing back up, continuing the bullish market structure. That's what happened. That's how we see. That's why we saw this these buys. That's why we saw these buys happening. So now let's go to the 4 hours. 4 hours now, we are currently just seeing an impulse move, and to be honest, fib can't really work here because this is what we are supposed to see. We are supposed to see low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But in this case, this is not so. We are just seeing only an impulse move. You understand? Just seeing only an impulse move. Only an impulse move. And market's also just moving. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. That's a healthy market flow, a healthy price action. But currently, we are just seeing only an impulse move. So definitely, there's no much zone to look at. The only zone we'll be looking at will just be supply and demand. This supply level here, which is a sell zone, we'll be looking at it. And also here, this will be your this demand level here for buys. Understand? So that's the only thing you can do in this case. Understand? Because there's no much zone. And the way I analyze, my zones come from the higher time frame. You understand? My entry zones come from the higher time frame. Then I go for the lower time frame when price is approaching there to look for my entry. You understand? That's the way I analyze. Yeah, if you are my student, you should know. So currently GU, this is the only zone I'm seeing. So let me give you a specific area. This is the only zone I'm kind of like seeing on GU. This level right there. Start for sales. For sales. So, and you know you're trading against the trend, the market trend. So definitely you won't want to be holding that your sales for a long period of time. Understand? You want to be holding your sales for a long period of time. You don't want to be holding your sales for a long period of time. So your sale is just going to be like an 18 pips. Understand? This is approximately TP1. Approximately TP1. Then yeah, TP1 for the sales. Or if price give us a new low around this area, if price give us a new low from where it opened, we can see that place can be our what, TP1. You understand? So this is just like a minor sell, you understand, to continue the bullish movement. This sell is just like a retracement sell to continue the bullish movement. So you can also make profit from these sales. You understand? But currently now I can't see a possible buy zone for you guys on GBPUSD. Understand? I can't give you an exact buy zone on GBPUSD right now. I'm looking, I'm searching. So let me go to 30 minutes. I can only go as low as 30 minutes. I can't go as low as 1 hour. I can't go as low as 15 minutes. I can only go as low as 30 minutes. Let's see a sweep. No sweep. No liquidity. No sweep. No sweep. So let's see, yeah. So that's the only sell zone I have. Then during the week I'll update you guys if I come across a buy zone. But currently the market is just on an impulse move. There's no correction. It stands. So I have to start seeing a correction before I can start giving you your buy zones to take for the buys. This is for GBPUSD, right? It stands. But yeah, that's all for GBPUSD. I can't give you a buy zone yet. There's no correction. There's no correction. But definitely it's a buy trend. This is a bullish market, so you should be looking out for buys. This sell is just because the zone is coming from the higher time frame. Our market always respect the higher time frame levels, so you can take a sell, a counter trend sell on this level. You understand? To counter trend this market. You understand? So you are not really trying to hold the trade for long. You know, swing this trade. No, it's not a swing trade. It's like a scalp. This is scalp setup, a scalping trade, or like you can just trade it for a particular trading session. Maybe if the trade plays out during a New York session, you can trade for a New York session. If the trade plays out during a London session, you can just trade for a London session. It's not a trade that you can swing, or you can hold for long, because you are counter trading. You are trading against the trend. You understand? So that's that for this GPS. This is my view on GPS. The bullish market also, but entry zones, no entry zones currently. I'm going to update the entry zones for the buys during the week, but this is the only entry zone I have, and that's for sale. It's done. That's the only entry zone I have for sales. I don't have much entry zone for buys. So I need to see a structure, proper structure play out. And between we have imbalances to fill. Instead, we have imbalances to fill. So I believe the sale is going to play out because we have lots of imbalance to fill on this side. Instead, because the market just went on an impulse move. There's supposed to be a correction. Yes, and so there's a lot of imbalance to fill. So I'm still expecting a sell to fill it up. We'll fill them up. Then you can see a proper market structure, proper flow of the market. Yeah, so that's that for GPSD. Then for gold, those people that trade gold, this is for my family that trade goods. So let me help you guys with the analysis. Gold too is also on an uptrend. Gold too has been on a bullish market for a while now. Gold has been on a bullish market structure for a while. Has been bullish also, but since early April, we'll be seeing gold range on this level on the daily time frame. Gold has been ranging on this level on the daily time frame for early April. Understand? Early April, gold has been ranging. So on 4 hours, we're still seeing a bullish market structure here on the 4 hours. We're seeing an uptrend on the 4 hours. A bullish market structure here on the 4 hours. If I could do a fib from here to here, okay, price didn't retest properly. So, but we're still saying that, and this is an impulse move. There's no retest yet. Understand? Just all an impulse move. There's no retest yet. So definitely fib can play out. Fib can play out here. Fib can play out fully here. The only thing I can give you, I can tell you, look out for your sales on this level. It's not on that level. You can look out for your sales on that level, because this is your supply level. You understand? This is your supply level. So you can look at, and it's coming from the 4 hours. Definitely the market is going to try to respect that structure. And also there's an imbalance for it to fill up. To get to that place. So yeah, you can look out for your sales on that supply level. So I'm going to give you a sell setup here. A sell setup here. Just look for your confirmation entries. And look for your entry on the lower time frame. As soon as price gets there, look for your entry on the lower time frame. Understand? So I'm not really giving you an entry, I'm just giving you a zone. So don't take my entry as an entry, because price is not there yet. So when price approaches this zone, this area that I marked, once price approaches that area, understand, anywhere from this shadow, this place I marked, once price approaches there, start looking out for your sell confirmation. You can use the M pattern, or use the double top, or use an order block. You understand? On that level, on that area, use another block and M pattern. You understand? Those are the two entry confirmations. You understand? Use other blocks and M pattern. That's for sales. Those are the two entry confirmations I look out for. You understand? In cases like this, because now fib I can't use fib here. For you to use fib, you have to see this high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. For you to use fib, you have to see that. You understand? But in this case, we can't see. There's just price is just giving us an impulse move. There's no correction. You understand? Price is still giving us. There's no high yet, and there's no higher low. There's no higher low yet for us to say we can use fib. You understand? So price just on an impulse move. You can't make use of fib. So the only zone I'm going to give you is this supply level here. You understand? So like I said, your entry should be, if price gets to that level, you should look for M pattern, which is also double top. Look for double top, M pattern, or other blocks on that area. You understand? So that's it for gold. And another level I can say probably gold buys is gold buys, because here definitely here I'll be taking as a liquidity there. Gold buys coming from this level. So this level, gold buys, like scalping, instant scalping. Also, you can also scalp gold on this level too. And you definitely know gold buy scalping is like 50 to 100 pips, so definitely you're going to make good money. So I'm giving you levels you can scalp gold from, good entry levels for gold. Here, you understand? Then your other zone comes from here. You start good entry level. Your main zone comes from here. Your gold buy main zone comes from here. Currently now, you understand? For now, so I'll update this analysis during the week once I begin to see how market plays out. You understand? I'm just giving you, like, in case market decides to move towards this direction. You understand? But for now, market has not fully opened yet. You understand? So let's see how price plays out. So I'm just giving you possible scenarios. You get possible scenarios. So now sell here, sell entry there. So confirmation entry, M pattern, double top or other blocks. Here too, looking for buys here. Here you'll be looking for a buy, you'll be using double bottom or W pattern. You understand? This is already an other block. You understand? Double bottom or the other block on confirmation is here. You understand? So just look for weak rejections. Yeah. weak rejections, one of the things, weak rejections or your um, W pattern, weak rejections or your W patterns, because it's already sitting on another block. You get? So those are possible buy entry during the week. So once price get there, if you're on my if you've not joined my Telegram, please use the link below to join my Telegram where I give free setup. So once price get there, I'm going to notify you guys on my Telegram. You understand? But for now, let's just keep anticipating and just keep our eyes on the chart. You understand? Keep our eyes on the chart and keep anticipating. So hope you guys have a profitable week ahead. You understand? Profitable week ahead, and God bless you guys. Understand? Have a profitable week ahead, and God bless you. But before we go quickly, we have to look at fundamentals. So this week we have some news coming up. We have the CPI and also the Fed speech. So we have the CPI coming up on Thursday and jobless claim. Yeah. Then we have the Fed speech coming up on Tuesday and Wednesday. You understand? Then we also have GBP news on Wednesday and Thursday. That's the heavy GBP news on Thursday and Wednesday. Understand? Okay, I think it's on Thursday. Okay, Thursday, not Wednesday. We have GBP news on Thursday, and we have GBP news on, I think, on Monday too. Yeah, we have GBP news on Monday, we have GBP news on Thursday. So, for now, CPI Thursday, job claim Thursday. Thursday is gonna be crazy for USDPS. Thursday is gonna be crazy for USDPS. They will also have GDP news too coming out on Thursday. They will also have GDP news coming out on Monday. They will also have Fed speech coming out on Tuesday. So guys, it's going to be a volatile week. Understand? So just stay tuned, stay glued to your chart. Focus on these entry levels I gave you guys. We know we're on a bullish market, so majorly look for buys. Majorly, this is the only sell zone I'm giving you, because that zone is coming from the higher time frame, the 4 hours, and also the daily. You understand? So the market must respect it. You understand? So that's why I'm giving you that entry level only. You understand? To counter trade this trend. Understand? But on a usual note, we are not meant to counter trade the markets. You understand? Because when the market is on a bullish market structure, you need to look out for buys. But because there's a higher time frame zone, so I'm giving you guys a sell structure here, the sell entry here. You understand? And also be careful. Make sure you get an entry confirmation before you take this trade. What I mean by that, my entry confirmation. If you are my student, you should know weak rejections, double bottom, the W pattern or the M pattern, which is double bottom, double top, and also weak rejections. Then here, I use other blocks and fib as my entry zones. But in this case, we couldn't find fib. We couldn't make use of our fib. That's why we mostly make use of our other blocks on this trade instead to get our zones for this trade. So I'll see you guys next week. I'll see you guys same time next week Sunday. I'll be dropping more of these every week for you guys to help you guys in your analysis instead, and so you can also get better too in analyzing the charts like a pro, just like the way I do. Just like you guys know, we always kill the market. Sniper gang. See you soon, same time next week. Thanks guys.